Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Morphe in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill, which is the part of the Vault collection. And this is the Ring the Alarm. I was able to snag 3 of the palettes. I was actually thinking of reviewing all of them at the same time. However, one of the palettes I wasn't able to snag. So we're just going to do it one by one. So if you guys want to know my thoughts, then please keep on watching. So I actually got mine at Ulta in store. I was lucky enough that I have a man that really supports me with my passion. Each palette is $15. You can buy the Vault with a discounted price at Morphe.com. You can use a code 10% off. There are so many influencers out there that has a code, so you can do that as well. I just really love that each palette is carefully wrapped with a bubble wrap and everything is meticulously designed. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm just going to take that clear plastic overlay because it is getting in the way. Look how beautiful the packaging is. Everybody's saying that it actually reminded them of Becca. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So you will be getting a really nice mirror and here are all your shades. It actually reminded me of the Naked Heat, which I still don't have, but I'm probably gonna buy that as well because, you know, I collect makeup. So the colors are very pretty. I already have all of these shades, so why did I buy this? I have no idea. But anywho, these are all your shades. I only swatched them once and I do not have any base in the back of my hand. To start off, I'm going to pick this shade right over here. It's called Rush and it's so pretty. It's perfect to create that really nice ombre look around the crease. And I'm going to follow it up with this dark orange shade. After that, I'm going to get this really nice dark burgundy and apply that on the inner and outer corner of my eyes. So basically, I'm starting from light to dark. So I'm slowly intensifying it, and once I'm satisfied, I'm gonna move on with this really nice bronzy color. A lot of people actually loved my makeup look yesterday. So I do travel around the Inland Empire, just in case you guys are wondering. So I do meet a lot of people, which is nice. And I've received a lot of compliments with this eye makeup look. So thank you, everybody. Now I'm gonna pick this really nice gold shade and apply that under my eye. So beautiful. I really love that. And I love how it picks up even if it's a little creamy. Now moving on to the rest of my makeup, I'm just going to be using my MAC Studio Fix in NC30 and apply that with a dense brush. And now I am going to contour my face using my favorite Smashbacks. The Cali Contour is my favorite contour palette of all time. Let me know if you guys want me to review the other contour palette that they have released. Sorry, I'm about to burp, but the one that is like has like an orange blush. I'm so tempted yesterday to buy it, but I'll probably buy it today because it's just so beautiful. Can't wait to share it with you guys. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna get my Hyper Real Glow from MAC and apply this highlight on the top of my cheeks. I really love this highlight. In fact, I actually used it at a wedding and everybody loved it. And for my lips, I will be using Milani Nude Cream. And this is the final makeup look, guys. Super easy. It's not really that difficult. If you guys are wondering what I used for my brows, it is the Tarte in Rich Brown. I seriously enjoyed creating this makeup look. I know a lot of people had difficulty when it comes to blending, but I never really had any problem with mine. So let me know if you guys are satisfied with yours as well. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. I think this palette is amazing. If you still don't have the color story or if this color interests you, I think this is such a good palette. It's not like, you know, it's the same quality with her Jaclyn Hill palette, which I also adored. So if you guys are interested with that, I will give you guys the go signal because I can't really find anything wrong about this palette. I mean, you can still use a coupon with it, $15. The packaging is amazing. There's a mirror. The quality is nice. So that is pretty much it for today, guys. Let me know if you were able to snag this or if you are going to buy it, if you have bought it already. Are you disappointed with the quality? Let me know your thoughts. I love talking to you guys down below. And let's catch up. I will see you guys next time. Bye!